Asia, and I am coming to do my first plan with me. Let's see how this goes. Hopefully I don't do too bad. But this kit here is from Planner Sister Stickers. This was one of my favorite places to get stickers when I was in my EC. I have decided to use this kit because it is so springy. So all of these come together. They always have like really good sales. So this was probably like 10 or 9 bucks, or maybe even 5, because I got it during the off season. So this is the kit that I will be using, and any additional stickers, if I may need them, are probably already in my planner. If you haven't seen this flip through, I suggest you go check that out on my channel. But here I keep some of my extra stickers that I normally need during the week. So let's see which one. I need both of these. And then let's see the one I'll need out of here. Nope. Well, let's just play this by ear. And let's see how this goes again, because I'm not sure. This is my first plan with me, so I think that for most of this, I'm going to try to like speed through, and I'm going to talk through the parts I need to talk through. Because normally I don't have a lot going on within my week, so it's kind of blank. I normally fill in as the week goes, but again, we'll just see. so much for watching my video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on Enabling Stickies on Instagram. Thank you guys. Bye.